Hello friends, welcome to my channel UI Passion. Today's topic is correct site title and image displaying issue LinkedIn and Team app. Today we will discuss the title, description, and image wrongly displaying issue while inserting our site URL in the LinkedIn post and Team app chat. Talking about this and this especially. By default, this takes some time to refresh our website data. If you want an instant solution for this, please carry on the video watch. This content is very hard to find on YouTube. After lots of analysis, I have found the solution. Please note that I have taken the following site for reference only. As you can see in the screenshot, if you see, image is missing and title is also showing wrongly. So for this solution issue, I hope you understand the issue. For I'm explaining again. Actually, I have created the site in WordPress and install Yoast SEO plugin, and I have properly implemented meta and OG tag. But when I post the about site GS4MC on LinkedIn post, the home main latest, this title is showing while I updated this, but this is not showing correctly. So what was the issue? Issue was refreshing issue. If after implementing meta and OG tag, display is not showing correctly, the issue is related to refresh the page on the LinkedIn site. So solution, I have solution for this. If you face this kind of problem, first of all, please include the below code in your header file. If not included already, you have to include these 4 lines in your header file, that is OG title, OG image, OG description, and OG URL. As per your content, please include the details in this meta content. For WordPress site, you can use WP head hook to add this code. Also, please install Yoast SEO plugin for SEO. Please note that LinkedIn takes some time to refresh the data on its site. So if you have implemented the above code, please do the following. You have to open this URL. After opening this, you have to enter your website name, website URL here. So I'm taking this website as a reference and I'm pasting it, and inspect that all the data will be refreshed after hit the inspect button. And after this done, then you can check your LinkedIn and you will get the latest data. So initially the data is showing like this. Even after I have implemented meta and OG tags, my data was not refreshing. Then I found this solution, and after hit this button entering my site, then I successfully got my latest data. I'm showing you. Now you can see image is properly visible and updated title is showing. Before doing this, This was looking like this, as you can see in the attached screenshot. So you have two options. Either you go to the LinkedIn post inspector URL, or you can pass as a query string like this. Either go to this URL or pass directly query string in your URL. Data will also refresh by using this method. So if you think you found a solution for this, and if you like the video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you guys.